Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you guys the glossy box for Black Friday. They did send me this for review purpose, and I'm gonna go ahead and share just in case you are interested in picking it up. I will have more information and any kind of coupon code that they give me down below. If you guys want to get a discount on it, you can use those. Feel free to. And we're gonna jump in, and this is what the box looks like. This is super cute, just like very galaxy vibes. And let's go ahead and see. And then the first thing that I see in here is the little pamphlet that says Black Friday. And let me know down below what you're shopping for Black Friday. I know that there are amazing deals going on. I know there's certain accounts on Instagram. I'll try to put down like one of my favorite ones, is Beauty Deals BFF. If you follow her, tell her I sent you. She does all the deals year round, but especially now for Black Friday, she has them all over there. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. I'm pretty sure this box is gonna be $21, but if you use my coupon code, you will get it for less. So wow, this box seems pretty full and it feels heavy. So look at the tissue paper, it's the same theme. I love that about Glossybox. They're so detail oriented and just have like a very beautiful aesthetic if you're into that. And I am definitely into like cute packaging. Like, have you seen my Miss Piggy mirror? So let's go ahead and jump in and see what is in here. Ooh, she is full. Oh my God, I keep using my wrist, that hurts. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in. And the first thing I see in here is a CBD Soothing Bath Bomb. This I am definitely going to try, especially with my wrist, and see if I can soak in it. This is a lavender one. Oh, I think it's covered, yeah. I can't smell it because it's wrapped up and I'm not gonna take it out of that, but it says that you can relax with a scented and decadent CBD infused. It's supposed to soften and detox your skin and has essential oils in it. That is so cute. So this is what the little ball looks like. It has little dots on it. Let me see if I can take it out. Oh yes, I am definitely going to try this out and see if it helps me or at least relaxes me when it comes to my wrist. And the price for that is, and I'm sure that's a full size. Yeah, that's a full size, and that is $7.99, which isn't bad. So the next product in here is this Collab Dry Shampoo. It is amazing oil absorption without the white residue. It's 6.7 fluid ounces. It's freaking huge. Packaging super cute, and this is $5.49. It's supposedly leaves no white cast, so I will definitely keep you guys updated on my Instagram. I do a lot of updates over there, so you can follow me down below if you want to get to know me or see any kind of makeup looks or reels. I do quite a bit of them down there. Go follow, it's free. Okay, so the next thing in here that I see is by Ciate London, who I love. This is the Stamp and Drag. It says a Create Flawless Wing Liner. Ooh, okay, let's see. Okay, so, so you have a stamp of a wing liner on one side, and then you have the pen on the other side. So this seems really, really cool. I think I've actually tried this before. Yeah, look, I have it. I actually have this. This is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna just put this into a box for giveaways because I already have it. This is pretty cool because you just literally stamp it on, and I love these kinds of things just because it's easier to work with than like, what are these called? I used to have these and use these a lot. The Vamp stamp, you have to dip it into something else and then put it on, and sometimes the ink just dries too fast and then you don't get a good stamp. With these that are already like pre-soaked and in there, you get a good stamp every single time. So I will add this into a box of goodies to do a giveaway. I've been just collecting stuff that's like extra PR, and then I do a giveaway just sporadically on a video here or on my Instagram for you guys as well. So yeah. Next thing in here is, ooh, this is a Brut Rosé inspired deep conditioner. I will be trying this out. It looks like it smells good. So I'm hoping it smells like roses or something. But it is infused with wine, rose, and strawberry extracts to help protect and maintain color. I don't dye my hair, but a hair mask is a hair mask. So I will try that out. And that little pamphlet or little thing is $3.99. Next thing in here is the basic tweezers, and these are not the kind of tweezers that I like, so I will put these into a giveaway. These are the ones that are like square at the end, and I use the ones that are very, very sharp tipped at the end, and this is worth $6. These are just the classic slant tipped tweezers, so I will add that as well to my next giveaway for you guys. Oh, I actually got 2 of these. Ooh, so these, like I said, these are $3.99 each. So that's cool. I have 2. I might put one into the giveaway as well. Next thing in here is a little, what is this? This is a Face Me Serum C. That looks really nice as well. I do have quite a bit of vitamin C serum, so I'll put this as well into a giveaway for you guys. This is $28. It's antioxidant protection, oil-based serum, focuses on removing free radicals and sun exposure. It has hyaluronic acid and is supposed to help plump and protect your skin. Next thing in here is the Arizona Eau de Perfume. I actually have this already and really enjoy it. Look how cute that is. I love a little good mini perfume. I'll go ahead and add that as well because I think I have like 2 of them already. So I love sharing with you guys if I get duplicates and stuff like that, so you guys can test out and try these products as well. And that little mini is worth, oh, it doesn't say. The full size of that is like $100. So that little mini is probably like $20 there, and that is by Proenza Schulzer. Next thing in here is the Dr. Paper Hydrogel Lip Pad. So it's supposed to cool your lips and plump them. I will definitely be trying this because I am trying everything to make these lips like fuller and it never works. So definitely we'll try this out and see if it helps. I've wanted lip fillers forever, but I'm just scared of being botched, so I never do it. The lip pads are $29. Wow, that's pretty pricey, and it comes only with 4 of them, so you know, hopefully it really does plump them. Next thing in here is the Zets Bye Bye Oil and Shine. It's a translucent powder. Oh, that's kind of weird. I think that these are like, oh, they're like little packet applicators to send. Like you just use it on the go to absorb your oil. I will definitely give this away because I have dry skin and I don't like accumulate a lot of oil on my skin. So if you have oily skin, you might want to try this out. This is pretty cool. It's basically like a little sponge and you take it with you, and it already has like the little powder to soak up the oil in the areas that you get oily. That's a pretty cool idea. I wish it was like in a little compact. So the full size is 15 of them for $9.99, and I think that these are just little, yeah, these are 3 little single doses. So maybe the full size like comes in a little compact or something like that, but that is really nice. Next thing in here is the Pure Elise Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. This is, what is this? Okay, this is a little cleanser by Pure Elise. This is a little deluxe size, and I don't see this on my little paper, but apparently it's in here. I think that I'm missing the Kiehl's. There's like supposed to be a Kiehl's little thing, and they accidentally put that instead of it. And then the last thing in here is the Rovectin Skin's Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion. And what this is whew, this is a little deluxe mini, and it's an anti-aging barrier repair complex. It's like a toner essence that you put on your skin. So that is it for the Black Friday box. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Don't forget to follow me on social media down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed, if you like unboxings. I will be doing mainly just unboxings for the next month or so, just because I am not feeling well with my wrist and I'm short on time. So yeah, so I might just be focusing on unboxings for a little bit until I recuperate, even though I do feel like that's mainly what people watch my channel for unboxings. So that's probably the only uploads you guys will see coming up, just a forewarning. And thank you guys so much for your support, and if you guys want to see other kinds of videos, let me know down below what they are. I love some feedback from you guys. And that will probably won't start until January, February, until I see specialists and see what's going on with my hand. Anyways, thank you guys. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.